Welcome back to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy, fast and easy vegan ice cream. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So when it comes to the ingredients, first thing you need is some frozen blueberries, okay? This is what you want. After that, open this nice little container. You want a frozen banana, all right? Next thing you want is some almond milk. And then some vegan cream cheese, all right? Now, when making the ice cream, you will need a vitamix, all right? A high-powered blender. Now, only thing I'm going to do is really simple, just add the ingredients. I'm going to put the banana in there. I'm going to go ahead, open up the blueberries, and measure this out. Turn on my scale. I'm going to put about 1 cup of blueberries in here, okay? So according to the package, 1 cup is equivalent to 140 grams. So I'd rather weight that out, okay? Because when you weight certain products, you get a lot more out of it. So as you can see, this is way more than a cup. But when it comes to the measurements, I'm at 146. So that's pretty good enough. All right, go ahead and add that in there. Then I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon of vegan cream cheese. Now this is optional with the cream cheese. If you want to keep the ice cream very natural, you can make the ice cream without it. But if you want that creamy texture, I highly recommend using the cream cheese, okay? And then after that, just a splash of almond milk. You don't want to put a lot, okay? If you put too much, it's going to turn into a smoothie, all right? So just a little bit, like that, all right? See how much I put in there? It's very, very little. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead, take this cover, put it on top, and then I'm going to use one of these to push everything down, all right? So make sure this is in there first so nothing splashes up. Go ahead and turn on the blender. Now when you make the ice cream, you saw how fast I did it. You kind of don't want to like keep it blending because then again, it would turn to a smoothie, okay? Get one of these spatulas. And this is a great serving for 2 people, okay? Look how much ice cream you get. You could definitely split that in half and make it for 2, okay? It's a lot. All right, so we got the ice cream. I made it for 2 people, okay? So this would definitely split up the carbohydrates. So we're getting for each ice cream somewhere around in the 20 grams of carbs. And I believe when it comes to the fat, it's like 3 grams of fat. Just check the description box. It has all the details there for you. But if you want to top that off, you can use any type of ingredients that you want. Like hemp seeds, peanuts, you want to add some peanut butter in there, go ahead. Just remember, the more you add, that's going to add more calories into the ice cream. But if you want to add like a topping with 0 calories, I highly recommend using this. This is through Vita, and it's a calorie-free ice cream. So they have different flavors. They have like strawberry, they have dulce de leche, all 100% vegan, okay? And if you want to add it on top, just shake it up and just go like that right on top, okay? Again, it's calorie free. If you need it, you can go ahead. If not, don't worry about it. Just eat it raw, all right? And you kind of don't want this to be sitting too long. But wow, it tastes amazing just by itself. I can only imagine what it tastes with the topping. But with that said, this is a very fast and easy ice cream that you can make. And again, when it comes to the fruits, One of the main things you want to use is always a banana. That's going to be your like sugar, okay, your natural sugar. But if you want to change up the flavor, you can stop right at the banana. Boom, you got banana ice cream, okay? Or if you want to do like strawberry, then using frozen blueberries, use frozen strawberries. If you want to mix it up like a wild fruit, add all three, you know, or use different ingredients. You could do pineapple and bananas, you can use strawberries and bananas. I mean, the list goes on and on. Get very creative when it comes to this, but it's a great alternative when it comes to regular ice cream, because when you use fruits, you're going to get tons of vitamins and minerals. That's highly nutritionally dense. That's a lot healthier for your body versus something that's super highly processed and just filled with regular sugar, okay? But with that said, my name's Corinne Sutton. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. But with that said, I'll speak to you soon.